good morning, welcome back to my channel, All Flash No Cash. My name's Stephen and I'm just on my way to Porsche Centre Sutton Coldfield. This video is over the course of 4 days. It's meant to be over a couple of days, but just been very busy and unfortunately having to make a return journey to Porsche to get some work that I've planned to get done on the car. Unfortunately, it's taken over 2 days. So annoying. They did kind of warn me it might take an additional day, but basically they just haven't sorted out my tracker. The tracker was installed in the car from new. Previous owner didn't pay the subscription for whatever reasons. They just didn't want to. So after, I don't know, I think a year or so, the car's going to what Porsche calls sleep mode, which means the tracker needs a hard reset, blah blah blah, which means it takes a few hours, and accordingly, last time they tried to do it, they just couldn't get it to sync. So hey, I'm on my way back to Porsche as we speak at 9:30 in the morning. I should be there at 15:15, so I'm already running very late. Well, not very late, but I'm already running late. But I'm hungry as well. I haven't had breakfast, so I'll be stopping off for breakfast somewhere first, and then I'll get there when I get there. Brought my laptop so I can do some editing while I'm sitting at Porsche waiting for my car to be sorted. I've only got until 12 o'clock because I've got to pick up my son, so they need to be pretty sharpish today. So yeah, in this video I'll run through. We have the video of me going in to, for the actual service, which was my filters and spark plugs. I had the guys from Mr. Balloting, so they come out and they gave my car a maintenance wash. I'll put their name in the description. So give them a follow and a like. And if you're in the Midlands area, yeah, give them a call and use them. The guys are really good. I'm really fussy who I use to wash my car because you don't know what chemicals they're using, and these guys only use the best and safe chemicals. So yeah, give them guys a follow. And that's it really. Basically, car being having a mini valet, the servicing, and a few rolling shots. What I will say as well, I'll show a breakdown of the work I'm having done at Porsche to give you guys if you're looking in the market to buy in a 911, whether it's a basic model of just a 3.8, or if you're going, well, bear in mind, the car I'm talking about is a 2015 991.1 generation of 911. This vehicle is a 991.1 GTS. So the servicing is the same. If you're going from any, I think it'd be the same over the range of your 911s, but I can't confirm that. I can't imagine it being a difference based on if it's a 991.2 or if it's a 991.1. But the prices that I'll be sharing with you guys is based on this model in March 2022. The prices aren't too bad. I think you'll be surprised. I say too bad. Some people might think that's expensive. Some people might say, well, it's a Porsche. You're paying, it is what it is. And for me, yeah, I don't mind. You've got to keep on top of these things. Servicing is super important. And to be honest, I only go to Porsche. The reason being is I want the full service history. I want to keep them stamps up. When it comes to doing discs and pads and stuff, I'll either do it myself or I'll take it to another reputable garage or another approved used garage. I only go to Porsche for anything service-wise, i.e. anything that requires a stamp in the logbook. Yeah, so I'll leave it there and enjoy the video. Also, give myself a follow and a subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section, good or bad. Yes, I do understand I'm from the Midlands. Yes, I do understand I have a slight Birmingham accent. I'm trying my best to slow down when I speak because I do understand I speak super quick and I am quite hard to understand sometimes. But hey, bear with me. If you follow my channel, and the more you see me, the more you get used to me. Right guys, enjoy your day, have a safe day, ciao. So I'm with the guys at Mr. J Valeting, and I'm not going to waffle on because I don't really know what they do, they just do a really good job. So I'm going to spin the camera around and hand over and let them explain what they're going to be doing today on my Porsche 911.
Hi, I'm Liam from Mr. James Valeting. I'm one of the owners. Come out to Anthony this morning. I'm very maintenance wash on this beautiful car. What I was going to say really, just getting it back up to top spec basically with all the winter and stuff like that. I'm going to get it all the paintwork back to brand new, get all the old salts off, get all the road salts, all the grime. Obviously it's clean anyway because it's a garage queen, but just little bits like all in the arches and stuff like that, like where they get trapped and stuff like that, like all of the road debris, especially with all the roads at the moment. I don't know what they're putting in all this grit, but
what water do you guys use? Do you use purified water as well?
So with our water, it's not any normal water that you get out of your hose, garden or anything like that. It's called purified water. Basically, it goes through, it's 4 to 5 filters before it comes out of the hose. We have to pay for it, obviously. It just gives the finish better on the car. It's better, it works better with all of our chemicals that we use. It's safer for the paintwork. So as you can see, Luke's taking up all the buckets. Yeah, that's it really. The vehicle holds 350 litres of pure water. We're running a Kranzel K7 jet wash. Yeah, that's it really.
I mean, the level of detail you guys go into as well, because I mean, it's not just valeting, is it? You go in. I mean, you're going into more. Well, you're going into more paint protection. I mean, what are you guys going into now?
So we did paint protection, paint correction, so minor swirl marks, minor marring. We can do anything from a small ceramic coating from 12 months to a lifetime, which is, we use wax is dead, which should be authorised with. And then paint protection, we use various different products for that.
Look, I just noticed, look at the VW there. See, these boys just do not mess about. Alright, I'll leave them to it because I don't want to take up too much of their time. But guys, I'll be putting the link in the video. As you can see there, give them a follow, give them a link, give them a follow, and say, if you need your car, anything doing really to do with cleaning, maintenance work, these are the boys to come and get hold of.
Let us know, we're a Birmingham base, but we'll go anywhere.
There you go, so Birmingham based, but he said it himself, he will go everywhere. So if you live in Kazakhstan, give him a call. Right, cheers, thank you.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Yeah, coming in hot, just like the fajita. I write what I live, my life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow, just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam, I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect them. I made the call it with just like I'm reffing. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gonna have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Teacher said quit rapping, man. That gon' hurt my average. I said thank God I ain't average. Yeah, I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the BPM.
Right, so took my car to Porsche. I was there for 9:45, and this is, you know what? I can't really blame Porsche on this one. So I took my car in to get the tracker sorted, and after about an hour and a half of them trying to do a hard reset, the technician come out to me. She just said, "Look, there's an issue with your tracker. We're gonna need it for 2 days." speaking to Vodafone. So basically, Vodafone can see the SIM card now, but then they can't see the tracker, so that they can't see the GPS on the tracker. So I said, well, what does that mean? She went, well, it's, after they've had it for 2 days, and it's no additional cost still, only charging 140 for the hard reset plus the £100 for the 1 yearly subscription, so that's 240. Because obviously they haven't done anything that was fixed. She said if the hard reset over the 2 days doesn't work with their, she says there's a special technician who comes in. Hence why now I've got to wait till April, and when it's now the 11th of March, and I've got to wait until the 25th of April to get done. Then she says I'm going to possibly need either a new antenna or a new tracker, a new tracking unit. God knows what it's going to cost. Either or, neither of them sound cheap, and it's just slightly annoying. I've only had the car since December. You know, I wasn't hoping, I wasn't expecting to be spending money that I am spending on it already. So it's slightly disappointing, slightly annoying, because it's cash going out. But yeah, so the story continues until April. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.